Walton, one of the most popular, successful, and trusted name in the world of electronic products. Walton. Sheet metal parts of air conditioners are processed in sophisticated power press and other machines that ensure parts dimensional accuracy. Sheet metals are chemically treated as required in chemical treatment plant and prepared for the next step by ensuring ultra-protective coating through its own powder coating section. Automatic injection molding machines are used for the preparation of plastic items. The quality of the outdoor fan and indoor blower manufactured in our own factory is ensured through sophisticated balancing machines. In manufacturing condenser and evaporator, smart hairpin bender, and most precise high-speed fin press machine are being used. The firmness of fin and tubes are confirmed by high-precision 4-station micro-shrink technology expander machine. Condenser and evaporator brazing are ensured by the combination of automatic brazing machines and skilled brazing operators. Condenser bending machines are used to make required shaped condensers. All the prepared condenser and evaporators are passed through a chamber-type helium leak test system. A fully automatic CNC bending machine is used in tube processing. Programmable laser cutting machines are used to ensure the accuracy of the insulation foam. Compressors, condensers, and connecting tubes are brazed by highly skilled brazing operators. After confirming inline helium leak test, parts are assembled. The evacuation level is confirmed by higher capacity vacuum pump with digital monitoring. Refrigerant is charged through highly precise charging machines. After the third stage of leak testing, outdoor units are assembled. Each and every air conditioner has to pass through performance testing to allow itself into the next stages. After performance testing, units are then taken for electrical safety testing. Packaging are done by auto strapping machine. Each indoor unit is prepared through a number of steps where highly trained operators confirm complete indoor assembly. Sophisticated electrical safety test machines are used to ensure indoor AC electrical safety. Finally, indoor units are packaged by automatic carton sealing and auto strapping machines. Walton is currently manufacturing commercial cassette type, sealing type, and VRF AC in its own factory. Walton has international standard laboratory facilities to ensure research, development, and sustainability. Accurate BTU of AC is ensured through enthalpy test lab approved by Bangladesh Accreditation Board according to ISO 17025. In addition, the longevity of AC is ensured through reliability labs. Walton air conditioners are winning the hearts of countless people from home and abroad in terms of service and quality with all new aesthetic designs and innovations. The future journey of Walton is inspired by moving forward with rich and up-to-date modern technology.